70.
Ah! Wow!
What is up guys, and today we've got something completely different. You might have seen our video a couple of weeks ago on the Elephone U Pro, a pretty impressive phone for not a huge amount of money. But here's the thing, this is on one hand a tricky phone to get hold of, and also we're at a stage where the general public isn't going to have heard of it. So we're going to let them go hands-on with the phone, play around with it, test the camera, test the features, and tell us what they think the price is going to be. We're also going to hand them an iPhone 8 Plus for comparison, and wait till you see what their reactions are when we tell them what the real price is. Let's get started. If you hold this in your hand, this is the iPhone 8 Plus. It's worth about £800. That's what it sells for in the UK. He's pretty fast.
You'll catch up.
And we've got this interesting phone here. I sort of asked people in the public how much they thought this cost based on this. So
Okay.
have a look. And
Probably about similar to this.
I think it's similar to that. I mean, like compared
It's
to this,
lighter.
you think the
one
screen,
feels
how does the
lighter.
screen look compared to the iPhone?
You haven't got so much surround. Obviously, you've got surround.
What is it? Oh, it's not a Samsung, is it?
What brand is this? Samsung. Samsung.
It's actually not a Samsung.
It's not.
That looks nicer because of the larger screen. You could argue that the iPhone 8, the whole edge bit is a bit dated now. I'll take my glasses off to see. I actually prefer the face on that one.
The screen of that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean it's just like the equivalent Samsung iPhone 8. Does everything else that you would expect.
The dual camera. Is that a fingerprint? Has it got like facial recognition or something?
Yeah, it's got face scanning as well.
Sweet.
It's a pretty phone.
It's pretty.
It looks really modern.
It's pretty nippy. Like I don't know what the specs are, but not bad.
You're impressed?
Yeah, I am impressed.
So how much do you think this phone costs?
Well, I guess the Samsung is equivalent to 800, right? 500?
How much was that one?
This is
800 quid?
800, yeah.
I would say it's probably about half that. I'll give you 400 quid for it.
Probably this is like half the price.
You think half? You think 400?
Yeah. Pretty much the same. Yeah. Do you say similar?
Similar price? you think?
Yeah. Probably not.
Probably cheaper.
Yeah, Apple's really expensive. So.
What would you guess as a ballpark figure?
Probably still about 400 or 500 quid.
300?
I don't know.
You think both look the same?
Yeah.
I'm guessing it's probably £300 cheaper, £500 maybe. So £500. Yeah.
I would expect that to be, well, I don't know, 500.
500?
Yeah.
550?
550?
400.
400?
Actually,
I think less.
about 870.
I feel like.
It's actually 270.
270.
Ah! Wow!
270.
It's 270. It's actually 270.
270. Oh, wow.
Okay, that's interesting. It's 270.
Excellent. I won't give you 400.
Yeah, it's actually 270.
Wow.
Yeah, so
270.
270.
70. Wow, I was surprised.
You'd say this is cheap then. Feels like a cheap.
I'd say no because obviously this is like the mainstream. Everyone's always going to go like this will be more because it's Apple.
Wow, that's amazing. And what makes that?
It's called Elephone.
Telephone. Yes. Wow, 270. That's brilliant.
Alright, so we pretty much got the results we were expecting. After taking a look at the iPhone 8 Plus, the way it looks, the way it feels, its screen, its camera, and then taking a look side by side at the U Pro, people were very surprised and very impressed. But of course, this is not a conclusive experiment. There is a lot more to a smartphone than its initial appearance, and baked into iOS and the iPhone ecosystem is a lot of really cool stuff that this device just can't do. But nonetheless, it's an interesting experiment, and I found it pretty fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Let me know, because we're trying new things on this channel, and when you do that, not everything's gonna work. So if you let us know what you enjoy, what you didn't, we're gonna turn this into something pretty great. So thanks a lot for watching. My name is Aaron, this is Mr. Who's the Boss, and I'm signing out.